Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and enabling developer mode because disabling updates requires lower-level access. Make sure you back up everything now. Once done, reboot and press ESC plus refresh plus power, then accept the warning to enter developer mode. This clears local data on many devices, so confirm backups. You do this to gain console access for the next steps. Make a note of your Chromebook model and firmware state because those details determine the commands you will run in the shell. You then open a shell to change the update behavior. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus T, type shell, and hit Enter to get a bash prompt. Once inside, remount the root file system read/write with sudo mount o remount, rw/ so you can edit system files. Next, locate update engine flags in /etc or /etc/default and either comment out automatic options or add a policy that prevents updates. Take it slowly. This directly affects security and stability, so verify each edit and keep a copy of original files, and you finish by rebooting and checking logs. Use journoctl or /var/log for update engine entries to confirm auto-update is inactive. If Chrome OS still updates, make sure your changed files saved correctly, and if necessary, restore originals from backup and repeat the shell edits while in developer mode. If edits fail, enter recovery to restore the OS and try again carefully. Remember, disabling updates reduces security and may block official support. Keep a plan to re-enable updates when appropriate to stay safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.